Hello friends, in today's class, chapter number 7, can you see the patterns? In last class we learned about the some patterns rule, that which picture is breaking the rule of patterns. We find out that picture and then we mark it that picture and then we try to correct that picture. After that, we learned about the pattern with number and it was magic square. Last class we learned about the magic square. Some number were there and we put one number in one box according to that rule. Now see, in today's class also it is about magic square. See, fill this square using all the number from 21 to 29. 21 to 29. See, this is magic square here now. This is square and in this square there are small 9 boxes here. Yes, small 9 square are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now what we have to do? We have to fill this square. Fill this square using all the number from 21 to 29. So how many number are there from 21 to 29? See, which are these number? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So what are these? These are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 number. What? These are the 9 number from 21 to 29. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 small boxes. Now we have to put one number in one box. No number should be repeat and no box should be left without number. So see, in this our magic square, this number is given here 25. Now we have to put all other remaining number. See, I will mark this 25 because it is used here. Now it should not repeat in any box. वो किसी box में नहीं आएगा. Now what we have to do? We have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 remaining box by using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. But one rule is there. The total of each side is 75. So whenever you will add these 3 number from this line and this line, it should be total should be 75. Same way, whenever you will add these 3 number 1, 2, 3 line number, then again it should be add up to 75. तो कैसे करेंगे बेटा? देखिए ये आपका 25 है. मान चलिए अभी हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक हियर 28. अगर हमने यहाँ पर 28 लिया है तो सी 28 क्या होता है यहाँ पर? इट इज 28 देन दिस 25. ऐड करके देखिए दोनों को. 30, 4 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 53 हुआ है. Now अब इन दोनों का 53 हुआ तो what number should be here? तो plus which number we have to add to make the 75 here? From here it should be, I think it should be 22. No, करके देखिए तो 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, it is 22. Okay बेटा. Now see, we use here 28 and 22 number. These two number we use already. Now next. It is 25. Then what we have to do? See, again I will take here 26. Suppose try करते हैं. See 26, 25. क्या होगा यहाँ पर? 51 हुआ बेटा. 26, 25. 51 हुआ. And then plus. Now here it will be 24. 5 plus 2 7. It is 24. Okay. 24. Now next. सी 24 हमने यहाँ पर यूज किया है और 26 भी यूज किया है यहाँ पर. Now 28, 26. 28 and 26. See, 6 plus 8, 14, carry 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 51. Now 51 plus what number here? It should be, I think, 21. No? It should be 21. It should be 21. Then say 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1, 25 and 5 plus 2, 7, 75. So here will be 21 number. Okay. Now next 28, 24. देखिए 28 plus 24. ऐड कीजिए दो नंबर को. 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 52. Now what number we have to write here? Remaining we will try. देखिए 75. We will try with 23. 3, 2 plus 3, 5, or 5 plus 2, 7. It will be 23. Yes, 23 भी यूज किया बेटा अभी. Now next 23 plus 25. चलिए, it is 48. Now we want 75 here. It is 48. Now which number you have to take? We will try with this number 727. देखिए 8 plus 7, 15 carry 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 75. So we can write here 27. We can write here 27. Next. Now 24 plus 22. 24 plus it is 22, 6 and it is 4. Now see, only one number is left here, that is 29. So you can put here 29 and now add with this number 9. 6 plus 9 it is 15. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, it is 75. So this way we will complete this magic square by using all this number from 21 to 29 and to make the addition of all number add up to 75. So see. So which of these number? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay? This one. Now next, say magic square. What are these magic square? Magic hexagon. So bachcho, what is meant by hexagon? The hexagon is a polygon having 6 sides. Okay? Now see, use the rule and fill the hexagon below. See, this is example from your textbook here only, and in this textbook here, one already example is given here, and see what rule is used here to complete this pattern. This rule is given in this box. So what is rule here? See, in this hexagon there are some circle and there are box in between of the circle, and you see number in the box. What is this number? Suppose this is 70. So what is 70? 70 is this number in this box is 70 is given here. See this 70. Then what is 70 number? 70 is the multiplication of 10 and 7. मतलब जो सर्कल में जो दो नंबर दिए, इन दो नंबर का वो क्या है आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. तो इस तरह देखिए 7 and then it is 14. तो 7 into 14 98. तो इस तरह दोनों सर्कल के जो दो नंबर है, इन दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको यहाँ पर बीच का नंबर इन बॉक्स का नंबर मिल रहा है. So this same way we have to continue this pattern, and it is continue this pattern and then see. Now what is this? See 7 into 10. देखिए बेटा यहाँ पर 70 हुआ है. Now multiply these two number. 10 into 2 it is 20. See 2 into 13 it is 26. And now see 13 into 5 it is 65, and see 17 into 5 it is 14 into 5 it is 70, and see 14 into 7 it is 98. It is 98. So this way it is pattern with multiplication here. Multiplication these two number to get this number in the box. Now by using the same rule, अभी इसी रूल को हमें कंटिन्यू करके या यूज करके by using the same rule we have to complete this pattern and this hexagon. So see, by using same rule, it is 9 and it is circle without number. We don't know what is that number. Now what we have to do? But number in between which is given in box, that is 108. But how you write, how you can know that 108, what is this number? This number is the multiplication of this number and number in the circle. Okay, number in this circle, the multiplication of this number and this number is equal to 108 according to our rule. But you know only this number, you don't know about this number. Now what we have to do? We have to find out this number. So how you can find? To find this number we have to divide 108 by 9. चलिए 9 से divide करते हैं फिर इसको. देखिए 9 1 जा 9. Now 10 minus 9, 1, it is 8, 9 2 are 18. 9 2 are 18. So what is this? It is 12. It is 12. Then next. Now see, it is 12, it is 7. So 12 into 7, it is 84. It is 84. 12 into 7, it is 84. Then next. Then now see 17 into 7. 17 into 7. तो क्या होगा? 7 into 7 49. 4 7 1 7. It is 11. So it is 9119. 119. Now next, follow the same rule here. See, it is 17. It is 17 and 6. Now 17 into 6 multiply कीजिए. 7 into 6 42. Carry 4. 6 1 6 plus 4 10. It is 102. It is 102. Next. Now it is very simple. 11 into 6 it is 66, and then 11 into 9 it is 99. So this way we complete this pattern by using the rule which was used in the example number 1. Example number 1. Okay. Now see number A. Now this is number B. What is this? This is number B. Again we have to fill this by using the same rule. So dear students, see now this number and this number, the multiplication of these two numbers is 104. Is 104. But what is this number? We don't know. One number is 8, other number you don't know, but their product is 108. So how to find out this number? You have to do like this. See, divide 104 by 8. Then when you will divide this 104 by 8, you will get this number as a quotient. See, 8 ones are 8. Now 10 minus 8, 2. 24. Now 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. It is 13. It is 13. Next. Now see, these two numbers are here already. 8 into 8, it is 64. It is 64. Now we can't find this number, no beta. By multiplying this number and this number, it is not possible to find this number because both numbers are not here. Out of these two, one number should be known. And 1, 2, 3 in 3 number में से हमें 2 number पता होना चाहिए. Then only we can find out third number. So see, first of all we will do this one. Number 4 into this number is equal to 64 है. 4 into 64. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पर देखिए. ये 64 है. Divide by 4 कीजिए. 4 ones are 4. Then see. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. See, then what we have to do? It is 16. It is 16. So 16 into 4, 64. Now see, now here two number 8 and 16. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख सकते हैं हम. देखिए यहाँ पर 8 into 16 जो है इसका मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. 16 into 8. 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 1 are 8 4 close. It is 128. 128. Next, say 13 into what? Now 13 into this number equal to 78 है. तो आइए हम 13 का टेबल बोलते हैं बेटा. 13 1 you can divide this number by 13 also. अब 13 को इस नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं because 13 is here now. 13 ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. See 78 by 13. Then you can divide like that. 13 1 are 13. 13 2 are 26. 13 3 are 39. 13 4 are 52, 13 5 are 65, 13 6 are 78. So it is 6. It is 6. Now see, then 6 into 4, it will be 24. So this way, we try to complete this pattern with hexagon, number pattern with hexagon. The same rule is used here, which was used in example number 1, page number 104, and then other two example are there, example A and B. So whenever you have to complete this type of the patterns, so what we have to do, first of all we have to see what rule is there, and according to that rule we have to complete this remaining boxes and remaining circle. Thank you.